So now we will see like how to input overtime work in MS project. So for that I'm just going to consider two tasks A and B with same resource, and we also not linking this, that's why we are getting resource over allocation symbol here. So if you are linking this, for example, select everything and then you can link, so then the resource over allocation it will go. Now I'm just going for task usage, and here we can able to see the work hours. So since we have a resource contour, a work contour, we are having 20 hours here for 5 days. So as it is like a spreading on the basis of contour which I have selected. But here it is like a flat. So 8 hours everywhere. Now if I want to input some overtime, how we can do? So just click the details here, and here you have overtime. So how to get this? Sometimes it won't come immediately. You need to go, so format, and you need to click work. So by default it might be in schedule. Then you need to click work. Then only this kind of details it will come. Then we can just input our overtime work. So for example, for this task we need additional 5 hours. So when I am putting 5 hours additionally, so automatically it is getting updated everywhere, like it becomes 9.15 hour every day, which means it is like a splitting that 5 hours into 5 days. And if I want to see the cost, so double click, and here in resources we can able to see it is like a taking 425. It is like a, it should be like 475, but why it is 425 we will see. So here in resources, so we supposed to put the overtime cost. So I put 15 hours. It is like something more than the standard rate. So details and 445. So remaining also I need to put 45. See, then we can able to see the cost 475. How? Like we have a resource sheet where standard is $10, which means like 5 days. 5 into 8 40, 40 into 10 400, and also additional overtime work. So this is like for totally. So additional 5 hours into 1575. Totally we are getting 475. So like that we can able to put the overtime.